Hi everyone, just about to share another journal with you. This journal is from ARTYmaze and it's her new digital kit called Beautiful Birds, and I will link that below. You get a normal size journal kit, then there is the choice of getting the TN kit, and there's also an add-on kit. So I will link all three of them below. And there was something else. She's Andrea ARTYmaze has also got a it's not a flip through, basically it's just a show and tell of the journal kit that she's put together. So I've done the traveler's notebook because that is my favorite size of journal to make, and let me tell you, this journal kit is absolutely gorgeous. I've really fallen in love with it, so you'll guess what I'll be doing all week. I'll be making more journals with the kit. So this journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 3/4. The pages are a little bit smaller. There's one signature, 72 pages front and back, and I've also done not a lot but some heat embossing on some stuff as well. And I'll show you that as I go through. So I've made a topper for the front, and I've just used, now I'm not sure if this was one of the tags or one of the pages that I've used to make a tag, because I do that a lot with the pages. I print them out a little bit smaller and then chop them up and make tags with them. The background paper there is one of the background papers from the kit as well. You get a really good selection of background papers as well. I've got some black organza ribbon here. These are a freebie on ARTYmaze's Facebook group, and it's all the little numbers and things like that. So that's been heat embossed, and I've topped that on there. This again is, you get that word free with this. In fact, I'll show you because I've got it here. Obviously with the missing pieces, but you've got that, and I know that Tracy Fox has got one as well, and both ladies have got these on both their Facebook groups. So Andrea shared hers with Tracy and Tracy shared hers with Andrea. So that's that. It's a wallpaper cover with 2 layers of cardstock, one of them being coffee dyed, and obviously it's all been sewn, eyelets and string as a closure. And let's go inside. So the insides are just plain. I find sometimes I've made journals for myself that I use, and when I start putting pockets and stuff in it, I find it really kind of makes lumps and bumps everywhere. So that's why I don't often do it. It just depends on how I feel. But this is obviously one of the pages from the kit. I'm just making sure I'm in frame here. And then I've made a little pocket here using one of the background pages and one of the journal cards. This again is one of them freebie words. And I've embossed that. So I'm going to just pull that up so that you can see. I hope you can see that it's embossed. Yeah, you can see a little shimmer there. In the pocket, it's actually a double pocket. You can put something in behind there. We've got one of the tags from the kit, and that goes in the front pocket, just like that. I've done a lot of my papers once I've coffee dyed them. If you've watched some of my other videos before where I was using the ink and the kind of plasticky bag, like bags like these, and transferring the ink from my glass mat onto the paper, I've done quite a lot of that in this journal as well. You can see some of it there. I've done it on the doilies as well. And I've done 2 colours on some of the pages and then some stamping, and you'll see that as we go through. So this was one of the little pockets that you get with on the page with 2 tags, and I've just used that as a little tuck there. We've got a journaling card. A lot of this has been sewn. I think all the tags and things have been sewn. I've done some stamping there. This was a little idea that I'd seen Tracy Fox do a few weeks ago, and then I've seen Andrea do it, but with the smaller little Tim Holtz tags, the little tiny tags. And I used to have that die, and I never used it for a long time, and I sold it, and now I could kick myself because now Andrea is doing all the little embossing with all her little like freebies, and I really could kick myself for not having that one anymore. So that's just, I've made that, and I just made the little card thing, and I put an eyelet there. This is the domino sized, this is actually a freebie from the Nature's Remedies kit. I think that's a freebie, so I've embossed that and I put that onto some nice thick cardstock, and it's just on there. You can move that around. If I haven't already said, this will be listed for sale in my shop. So we've got that on there. We've got some crochet to trim. You can see the different colours here. We've got the blue, the vintage photo, that's what I've done to transfer onto the page. We've got some stamping here. This is a little journal card from the kit. I enjoyed doing that. It did take a long time though. And again there, I'm going to lift that up so that you can see that, see it a little bit better. I like all that look. So that was fun to do. Just like messy fun, kids fun. Again, that page is like that. That page has just got the vintage photo. This has got the blue ink, which is, I think it's broken china, and the stamping on there, stamping there as well. And we got two tags, and well, a journal card and a tag from the kit. You get these pockets from the kit as well. Another page from the kit. Here I've just used one of the background pages and I've made a long corner tuck, and I've just got some crochet fabric there. There is a little mini journal card there, and then inside here, like I say, I cannot remember if that's a page that I've cut down or it is one of the tags, because she does have tags in that kit. Here is just a little flip out, so you can do lots of journaling on there, and then fold it all back up and pop it straight in there. This is just some of the pieces that I've got, like loads of this printed out from one of the oddment kits that Andrea's got. So I just put them together, and we got them on some string. That goes in there. Another little journal card there. Some more stamping. And all that I done on the other pages, and then it's got a nice shimmer because there is shimmer in the coffee water. Some more of the transferring of the inks. Page from the kit that actually flips out, and then we've got these pockets. These pockets, when in Andrea's video that she showed the kits in, she's actually designed them so that when you cut them out, you can have, let's say, 3 of them, like going that way on the page. But I just done it this way. But you know, your options are there to do all sorts of different things. So that's there. That folds in. Some more of that nice stamping. Another lovely page from the kit. In fact, there's one of the journal cards that's like that, and I was tempted to use that as my my topper for the front, but I changed my mind when I got to the end, because I always do my what I'm going to do on the cover. I always do that last. You got the tickets from the kit. I just made a tuck. Got another tag here. Again, I don't know if that's a tag or it's one of the pages that I've cut down. And then we've got a little envelope which has a little double journal card in there. And that just goes in there, and I seem to have bent that back, so I'll fold that in properly now. A doily, some ephemera, some more of these, that obviously Tracy Fox idea, and then this is embossed as well. And the embossing powder that I used for the words, I used this one. It's just a little cheapy one, but for the domino size pieces, I used this. I had that for a year, and it is really, really good. I thought I don't know if it is Ranger. It's by Ranger, and it's the Melt Art ultra thick embossing enamel, so it's UT and it's clear, but you can get them in other colors as well. So I just thought I'd show you that in case anyone is wondering. Another page from the kit, center of the signature, and we've got 2 identical pockets. These are just so lovely. I love these birds. So inside each one you've got a tag, and this is from one of the oddment kits. I think it's oddments 3, and then that again, and that. Because I know there's 3 kits with the tickets and that kind of stuff and the ephemera. So here we've just got some more of that, and here I'm actually waiting to pull that because that was one of the last things that I stuck it in, so I need to kind of pull that away to make it a little bit more tatty. using one of the journal pages, I created this triple pocket. So we have that pocket there, and then a really large one there, and I didn't put anything in that because I thought it was getting too chunky. So that, like I said, one of the background papers, easy peasy, make a pocket or a triple pocket from the kit. More of this lovely page. I've actually really liked that. I kind of wish I'd scanned it before I stamped it, because obviously I could have scanned that. I can't scan it once I've stamped it because of like copyright, but I'm sure I could do it with all the ink splodges and stuff. Just saved me doing it again. I love that kind of ledger with that lovely floral going down the side. It's so pretty. Another pocket here. We have a journal card inside that one, and then just a little cluster of these tickets, and they're from ARTYmaze, one of the oddment kits, the tickets. And then a long pocket. It did have a flap, but then I went not thinking, I put that on there, which goes in there, and I thought, how am I going to close it? So I just chopped the top off, and that's the back. So I was actually planning on sticking it down, but then I thought, no, we'll keep it as a floater. And so you can write on the back of there, and write on that, and that just slides in there. So there's that. Cool, I'm chatting away. It's 11 minutes here. I do try and keep them pretty short for you. Another one of these pockets, little journaling card, and it goes in there. Lots of writing space. One of the little shrunk down tags, and another one of these. It's got the birdies and the birdies there, and I do like the noise you do that on the enamel. Sad, isn't it? A little pocket there, journal card, so pretty. And then here we've just got a little pocket there with a tag, which, like I said, I can't remember if that's a tag. I think that's actually one of the tags. And another journal card. And this is just a little book. I just put some scraps of paper in so you can do some writing. That's actually been gessoed on. And that goes in there. And we've just got one of the little journaling cards, and it's been put onto cardstock. Got some crocheted fabric there, and that is the back. So that is the journal. They can tuck in, or you can have them like sitting out like that. But I kind of like them tucked in. But if you buy the journal, you can do whatever you like with it. You can take them off if you don't like them. I just think they're quite sweet. So anyway, like I said, I will link this kit below. There is 3 parts to the kit, so it's not all one big kit. And if you're interested in this, it will be in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.